Hey there, space cadets. Let's talk about Jupiter, the big cheese of our solar system. This gas giant makes Earth look like a little speck of dust. Seriously, you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter, and hold on to your hats because Jupiter has a whopping 79 known moons. That's a lot of celestial siblings. Now you might be wondering, how do we even know about these moons? Well, some of them were discovered centuries ago by a clever dude named Galileo Galilei. In 1610 he pointed his fancy new telescope, which was super high-tech for the time, at Jupiter and spotted 4 little points of light dancing around it. These turned out to be Jupiter's largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. We call them the Galilean moons, in honor of their discoverer. So, we've got this massive planet with a whole entourage of moons. But here's the thing about Jupiter's moons. They're not just sitting there looking pretty, they're constantly moving and grooving, caught in a cosmic dance with Jupiter's powerful gravity. Now you might be thinking, dancing moons? Sounds like my kind of party. And you're right, it is pretty wild out there. These moons are constantly tugging and pulling on each other, creating a complex and ever-changing gravitational ballet. Speaking of gravitational dances, let's talk about our very own moon, you know, that big, beautiful, cheesy-looking thing in the night sky. It's not just there for werewolves to howl at, you know. Our moon plays a crucial role in life here on Earth. One of the most obvious ways we feel our moon's presence is through tides. You see, the moon's gravity tugs on the Earth's oceans, causing them to bulge out on the side closest to the moon and the side farthest from the moon. These bulges are what we experience as high tides. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's get back to Jupiter and its moons. We know Jupiter is huge, but it's not just about size, folks. Jupiter's massive bulk also means it has some serious gravity. In fact, Jupiter's gravity is a whopping 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. That means if you could stand on Jupiter, which you can't because it's a gas giant, you'd weigh 2.5 times what you weigh on Earth. Talk about a heavy realization. So Jupiter has this incredible gravitational pull, and it's got all these moons orbiting it. You might think those moons would be causing some serious tidal chaos, right? Well, not so fast. Here's the thing, while Jupiter's moons are numerous, they're also relatively small compared to Jupiter itself. And in the grand cosmic scheme of things, size matters. A lot. You see, the strength of a celestial object's gravitational pull depends on its mass. And while Jupiter's moons aren't exactly lightweight, they're practically featherweights compared to the massive bulk of Jupiter. But wait, there's more. Just because Jupiter's moons don't have a huge gravitational impact on the planet as a whole doesn't mean they don't have any influence at all. In fact, some of Jupiter's moons have some pretty amazing effects on the planet, especially the moon Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our entire solar system. That's right, this little moon is a veritable inferno of volcanic eruptions, spewing out lava and plumes of sulfur that can reach hundreds of kilometers high. And guess what's causing all this fiery fury? You guessed it, gravity. And it's not just Io that's making waves, or should I say auroras, in Jupiter's atmosphere. Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, and yes, it's even bigger than the planet Mercury, also has a few tricks up its sleeve. Ganymede has its own magnetic field, which interacts with Jupiter's massive magnetic field in some pretty spectacular ways. This interaction creates auroras on Jupiter that are even more intense than the auroras we see here on Earth. So there you have it, space explorers. We've journeyed to Jupiter and back, explored its moons, and compared them to our own faithful companion. While Jupiter's moons may not have the same dramatic tidal effects on their planet as our moon does on Earth, they still play a fascinating and important role in shaping the Jupiter system. From volcanic eruptions to auroras, these moons are a testament to the power of gravity and the incredible diversity of our solar system. Keep looking up.